You can have more.
I'm okay.
It's less strawberry. You want more, make it more nothing.
Again, I'm Yanique.
You're Yanique.
Making movements. Actual vlog today. Hello, YNR family. Or is it YR family? Let us know which one you prefer. YR family or YNR family. Can't hashtag YNR family because me want to use a special unsigned.
I'm Team Y and R.
I'm Team YR family. Yeah, bruh.
So let's see all the Yanique fans roll out and put hashtag Y spell out A-N-D or
So-
capital Y, common
when me
A-N-D,
talk
capital
about fans,
R.
or when me talk about fans,
No,
What
he
fans?
thinks he has personal fans.
I've been having fans long time, yo. I've been
Why you
having
always
fans long time,
lying?
man. Yeah. Alright. So anyways. We had to do some few things today. Some few bad. That one the bad. We had to do a few things today. Bringing you guys along with us, of course. And we have a wonderful, wonderful treat for you. Be right back.
No, I want this
Oh my gosh. Hey YR family. We are again vote YR family or YR family. Oh, I mean
The other way around.
anyways, we are literally at our new favorite spot. Not just here, like the entire place. We will show you if we haven't already shown you in this particular video. We absolutely love the ambiance here. We love the food here. Well, pastry. What is it that you love here?
I love the environment. As you can say, the ambiance is awesome. I love what comes to, and as you guys can see, we have a nice little round behind us. This is just lovely. I'm hearing the story that is behind it all. It's really, 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 really nice. The place is just really good. And guess what? Every time we come here, they added something to it. And every time we come back the next day, there's something else that is added to it. So we're really happy to be here. And we're really happy to take you guys on the journey with us.
Yeah, so we're gonna showcase a whole lot of stuff that they do here. They offer catering, well, they offer They put cakes, wedding cakes, birthday cakes, all sort of cakes. Yeah, so you can come in and you can like we are doing this because we want you guys to come here, get the experience for yourself, and support Treatz Jamaica.
Yes, and they are located 25 Annex Plaza in Montego Bay. So for those of you who don't know where that is, if you know where Jerky's is, it is located in the plaza that is behind Jerky's. And as you would have seen on our way here, it is upstairs, Subway and Mother's.
Yeah.
I think more so over Mother's than Subway.
Definitely.
Yes.
You can't get lost.
You'll see the awning.
So we're gonna enjoy some of what Treatz have to offer and show you guys as well. Honestly, this is just a really nice place to come, to relax, and to possibly even have a meeting, because they have a little meeting room here as well. So come and check it out. Tell them that Yan and Ren sent you.
Why and our family.
Alright, so talk to you guys shortly. Watch me Nico.
Sure. Alright guys, so as you saw, this place is just beautiful. And it's still, I think it still has room for growth. It's beaming with potential, guys. Like, it's a really cool spot to come chill, have a nice little coffee, have a little pastry, you know, or if you just want to meet somebody, it's really nice. And they have this cute little room, which you're probably gonna see now or you saw before. It is just so nice, and as you can hear, there's probably, well, I don't know if you guys will be able to hear the music that's on the outside and the chatter, how busy outside is. It is, you're not hearing it in here, trust me. But the thing is, you can see through, it's glass. I love it. I love how transparent the place is. It's as though you're seeing a bit, I don't know how to say it, but like you're seeing a bit of all the different rooms or different sections inside this place. Yeah. I just love it.
It's a very open concept place, not just here, but where she does her cake designs and where the gentleman does his designs as well. He has his little room. It's just a very nice place, and we invite everyone watching to just come down and enjoy Treatz. It's right here in Montego Bay. The options are lovely. The place is lovely. We give it a 10 out of 10 for everything.
Hospitality, folks. It is really good. And in the future, if we may tell you guys, they will be doing some cake baking classes to come, so you guys will be able to, you know, have your one-on-one sessions and all that lovely stuff. When I tell you, like, beaming with potential, it's like the potential actually in the pipeline. Yeah. So they have things coming, more things coming up.
And we are happy to be, we're happy to be able to share this with you guys, and we hope that you take our advice, come check it out for yourself.
Yes.
Taste the food, taste the ambiance, and just have a good time at Treatz.
Yes, folks.
Yeah. So, I don't know if this is the end of our video. I don't think it is. We're going to the supermarket, so if you guys want to come along, just tell me right now. Yes? Okay, cool. Say I come to the supermarket with me? Yeah. But
and remember, when you come to Treatz, tell them Yan and Ren sent you.
Jinx. But yeah, so we're gonna enjoy some stuff now. So
I don't owe you nothing.
We'll talk off camera. Yeah. we're gonna enjoy our treats now, and only can watch we enjoy the treats. If you're jealous, I just say go.
Just come on down. Oh, and they are open, guys, Wednesdays to Sundays. Their opening hours are now. I'm sorry, Wednesdays to Saturdays. 12 p.m. to 7 p.m. All right, and they will be expanding their days, their opening days, and possibly their hours. So for right now, it is, let's do that again, Wednesday to Saturdays, 12 p.m. to 7 p.m.
Okay, and this is their Instagram. I don't know where exactly this is gonna go, but this is their Instagram page.
That's it.
Please, people, check it out, support them.
Follow, give them a follow.
Jewel, you have to wipe up Jewel off your phone, I'm sure, but enjoy. And enjoy us enjoying our treats. See you later.
It's like a cheese nerd. Is it?
That's what looks very, very good.
It looks nice.
What is it?
But that one, I don't know, we have to ask it. Excuse me. Can you tell me what this one is, please? It's cheese and sausage.
Oh, kind of sausage.
Do you know what kind of sausage it is? If you don't know, that's fine. I don't remember. Alright. And do you have any more cookies? Or this is the only one? Let me check. Oh, okay, thanks.
Stuff has arrived.
I'll bring it to you. Oh, thank you.
And so,
What's first?
I'm gonna have my own.
Gosh, I want to taste it so bad. I'll jump in this one. Oh my God. Ooh. That's squishy. Ooh. You're not even using your hand to cut back anything. I don't want it to waste.
Well, yeah, 30 something.
Right.
What is wrong?
Right. You're still gonna get it. It's just what you're trying. You see that? Look at that.
Everything is good. Everything is good. I'm gonna taste this.
What is that?
I have no
Show it
idea.
and tell them what it is.
So this is, what is it?
Guava croissant.
It's a guava croissant. I told you.
Who is it? You tell me. Let's talk about flaky. Let's talk about soft. And all the flavors jumping out at you. It's really good. This is nice. I love this. And it's reasonable. We want more of anything else that we eat.
So anyways guys, we're about to hit the supermarket.
Not yet.
We're not?
I'm eating.
Yeah. When she finished, we'll go hit the supermarket and then head home. So if you have stayed along for this little video here of ours, this little journey here of ours, thank you very much. Please remember to like, share, subscribe to our channel. That of course is Fun with Yan and Ren. We appreciate the support. We appreciate the continued support. We appreciate the future support. And
Tell a friend.
as she said. So yeah, see you guys in the supermarket. I'll find something crazy to do.
As usual.
Be right back.
Very long. Anytime the choir do anything, and the rehearsal I was telling Miss Treatz to me, he would just come and start singing.
Cereal. Yum, 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 yum. Can't do without the good tea. Chocolate tea. Right?
It's just chocolate. Hot chocolate. Chocolate tea.
What a day, glorious day that will be.
You know this? Dry shampoo.
Dry shampoo?
Put it in your hair and then just use one with something or something. So you know if you actually immerse your hair now. Or yeah, now water.
Interesting.
Oh, then what? Oh. Corned beef
I used to.
and rice with sweet corn. Corned beef and white rice with sweet corn.
Sweet corn or sweet creamy corn?
Sweet corn, it doesn't matter, because corn. Doesn't that sound good?
It does.
Do we have beef?
Should we be talking about beef now? Boy. Mangoes that look pretty. And hurt.
You have to eat mini. You have to eat packet. Alright guys, so this is the end of our day. Thank you so much for coming along with us and joining us for our quick grocery run. Thanks again for supporting our channel. Remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember as well to vote in the comments hashtag Y&R Fam or according to Ren, YR Fam. Bye.